Hey guys, welcome to Tech Action. Today we are going to learn how we can send file which is larger than 20 or 25 MB through email. Most of the email services do not provide size file which is maximum 25 or 20 MB. And even if you want to send some software through email, it is not possible because the email services does not support this service. Okay, so very easy steps I will tell you how you can do that. So nowadays everyone is having a Gmail account. So it's very easy. What you have to do, just log into Google Drive account. If you have never been to Google account and Google Drive account and you have a Gmail ID, you can log in, go to the login page and you can do that. If you are using first time, also no need to do anything. If you have a Google account, just go through the website and sign in. Go to Google Drive. So basically there is no size limitation, like you can upload files up to 2 GB, 1 GB, whatever you want. Like email, if you are trying to send through email, it does not support actually. While Gmail and Yahoo allow you to upload maximum size of 25 MB, and where Outlook allows you to upload file which is not more than 20 MB. Okay, so let's begin with an example. Okay, I'm gonna upload one software. Okay, so desktop. Okay, as you can see, the status of the file that is being uploaded here. It's almost 50% done. Okay, fine. Finally the file has been uploaded. So once you upload it, right click on the file, go to share. So get shareable link. So this thing you need to change. Okay, can view, no, you should allow it as can edit. Okay, can edit, where he is having all the authenticity to do whatever he wants to do with the file. So it depends on you. If you don't want the user to edit the file, so you can go in this can view mode. Okay, that's it. Once you've copied the link, it's done. So what you have to do is just whatever link that I have copied. Okay, so go to the compose mail, paste this link in the message body and send them. So anyone can access that. Even the person whom you are sending this email, he does not have a Gmail account, even though he can access the file. So as you can see here, I'll show you one example for that. Just I have pasted that link over here, that's shareable link, and you can see here it is asking for sign in. So if I don't have a Gmail account, doesn't matter, I can directly download the files from here. Okay, so as you can see here, the file is getting downloaded. Okay, so thank you for watching video. If you need any help, any support regarding the technology, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Thank you, have a good day.